Okay, I got a Toyota Corolla. Got a repair on this front door right here next to the handle. Paint code 209. It is a black pearl 2-stage. I'll be spraying it in Axalta Speed Hacker High Tech. I'm gonna try to keep it small. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the base coat.
With applying my wet bed with my Toyota 5000. Now I'll apply my base coat. I'll be using the Axalta 5500 1.20. I'm not going to trigger on all the way. I'm going to try to keep it as small as I can. Let that dry and check it out. Ready for clear. I'm using my Toyota WS400 Evo, the 1.4, and I'm spraying the Speed Hacker 8098. Ready for another coat?